Excuse me, sir. Are you waiting for someone?
Yes, I have an appointment with Mr. Tim. Would you please tell him I'm waiting at the lounge?
All right, sir. But would you mind to wait in a minute? I'm afraid he is having a meeting at the moment. But it will be over in a couple minutes. Anyway, would you mind telling me what your name is?
I'm Frank. Franklin. Mr. Tim's colleague.
Okay, Mr. Frank. I will inform Mr. Tim that you have been waiting. Will you please wait a moment? I'll be back soon.
No problem. I'll be waiting.
Hi, how's it going? I'm Rahman Halim, back again in Smart English. Well, smart students, in this video, as usual, we are going to learn one of the English topic. It's about expressing politeness in English. Alright, let's get going and enjoy your learning. Smart students, in the previous dialogue, we have watched the example of using politeness in daily basic conversation. Nah, para siswa, pada percakapan sebelumnya, kita sudah menyaksikan contoh penggunaan ungkapan politeness dalam kehidupan sehari-hari. Nah, kita simak berikut penjelasan dan beberapa contoh bentuk lainnya dari ungkapan politeness. Okay, smart students, let's check out the explanation. Expressing politeness yaitu bagaimana menyatakan atau menanyakan hal dengan cara yang lebih sopan dalam bahasa Inggris. Biasanya kita berbicara lebih sopan kepada orang yang lebih tua dari kita atau ketika bertemu dengan orang yang belum kita kenal. Nah, berikut adalah contoh kalimat yang menunjukkan kesopanan atau politeness dalam bahasa Inggris. Yang pertama adalah beberapa frase kata yang umumnya digunakan dalam politeness expression atau polite sentence, yaitu will you, would you, will you please, would you please, could you, can you please, would you mind, why don't you? Untuk ekspresi yang tidak resmi atau informal. Sedangkan contoh kalimat untuk menunjukkan politeness adalah sebagai berikut. May I help you? Would you like to help me? Could you pass the salt over there, please? Would you like to come to my house? Would you mind if I sit here? Open the window, please. Could you please move to another chair? Would you like a cup of coffee? Could you please tell me where is the library? May I give you a hand? Shall I bring you a pillow? Can I do the dishes for you? Would you care for another cup of tea? Well, smart students, at least there are 3 things you should keep in mind in making politeness. The first one is saying thank you. Saying sorry or apologizing, like I'm sorry. Saying please when you want to make requests or asking someone to do something.
Hello, Miss Reed. You look so busy. May I help you?
Yes, I am. Could you please fetch students' homework books from my desk?
Sure, and where should I bring it to?
Please bring the books to your class, and say sorry to your friends that I may coming late to the class.
Okay, ma'am. Is there anything else?
No, it's enough. Thank you very much for your help, Jimmy.
My pleasure.
Nah, para siswa, bagaimana penjelasan mengenai expressing politeness tadi? Semoga mudah dipahami ya. Alright, smart students, that's all for learning English today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm Rahman Halim, have to signing off. See you again on the next video. And goodbye!